Shelly, what are we doing right now?
Closing
Closing on what?
your property.
Am I buying this?
Yeah.
I'll sell your home in 59 days guaranteed, or else I'll step in and buy it myself. Hey, I'm Scott Neal from Scott Neal Real Estate, and that was me and my escrow officer, Shelly Hooper, at North American Title in Garland, Texas, closing on another investment property that we ended up buying from a client of ours that we were just trying to help sell. So we were trying for several months to get this property sold, and we just weren't able to do it. And our offer happened to be the best offer that this guy could get, so we just went ahead and bought it ourselves. Do you have a home that you want to sell? Do you want to make sure that you can get this home sold and onto the next phase of your life in a certain amount of time? Then maybe our guaranteed sale is the right choice for you. Also, you might be giving your property away at a lower price if you don't talk to us about our guaranteed sale. So there's been several times when we have offered to buy someone's home. They've signed up with our guaranteed sale program. We've put it on the market, and we have been able to sell that property for tens of thousands of dollars more money than our investment company was willing to give. So the only way to really find out about what our guaranteed price would be and how the program works is to just give us a call or visit us on our website, www.mydallashomefinder.com, or give us a call at 469-998-3322, and we'd love to help you get your property sold guaranteed.